How to lose your weight while eating. Friends, you oftenly heard that you need to eat less and work more to lose your fat, but no one says you that you need to eat enough and work as per your caliber. Hi, my name is Bhupendra and I'm an online fitness coach. I'm a lifestyle expert and I help people to lose their weight. Friends, today I like to discuss about a macronutrient which is a quite important macronutrient which we usually miss while doing our dieting on our own. Friends, not only this macronutrient is quite important, but it is a key factor in Indian people. That's why they do not come among the fittest people of the world. The name of that macronutrient is protein. I still remember those days when I used to include so much vegetables in my diet. I used to include a dal and one or two chapatis only, but still I was struggling for my weight. Initially, I lost some of my weight, but I was not able to take care of that weight for a long time, and I really want to be healthy for my whole life. So what is the reason behind it? It has taken more than 9 to 10 years for me to analyze. The problem is protein. I was afraid to have protein, but protein is the key macronutrient which helps in losing weight. Today I will give you 3 causes that why protein helps in losing your weight. But the cause number one, there is an energy which is known as thermogenesis energy, which we utilize while digesting any food. It means that whenever we eat 100 calorie, then 10 calorie we utilize in the digestion. But whenever we eat a protein rich food, on that time protein takes 30% of the energy. So it means we can eat more and have only some energy from that food source. That's why protein is very amazing. So that's why whenever you heard about the ketogenic diet, intermittent diet, and all the other diets, usually they use this point and this thing into their as a key ingredient of their diet magic. So that's why if you include protein in your diet, it going to take you more energy in digestion. Now the second cause. The second cause is there is some factor which is known as satiety. If you ask a person that why he is eating because he is hungry. So if you ask a obese person or an overweight person that eat less, if you are telling him to eat less, it is something like you are telling him to breathe some. Breathing is a need. The hunger is coming from inside. It is a body need. But if we consume a food which gives our stomach a feeling of full, then the name of that food is protein. If we give protein to our stomach, then it gives a signal to our mind that right now we are full. So that's why people include protein while doing dieting. You should also include. The second key point I have discussed. The third key point, that whenever we do our dieting, there is so much stress our body has to go on, because we are fighting with the requirement of our body. For example, if your body requires 2000 calories, but if you wish to lose your weight, then you have to have some less calories as per your from your requirement. Then that time you are not giving the requirement and the important things of your life or of your health, which is the food. So that's why on that time protein plays a role of repairing. Today I would like to give you some status knowledge also about the condition of Indian child. Basically one third of the population of India are the childrens, and you're not gonna believe that more than 50% of them born underweight. So this is the major problem for all the fathers and for all the men or for all the women. So to eat a good food in their life, so that the coming future for India will become bright. Friends, so that's why include protein in your diet. Friends, the protein means that you don't have to eat the pulses or rice, although they are the good food, but the 100 gram pulses or 100 gram lentils contains only 22 gram of protein and 60 gram of carbohydrates. And if you talk about the grains, then the grain contain 100 gram of grain contains around 13 gram of protein and the 80 gram of carbohydrate. That's why I like to suggest to you that include some pure sources of protein in your diet. For the vegetarian person, I like to suggest them that include 25 gram of soya chunks or cottage cheese in their diet. Or for non-vegetarian person, I would like to say that please include cottage cheese, soya chunks, chicken and eggs and fish into your diet. These are really marvelous food, and you should include in your diet for a long lasting health. Friends, today we have discussed about the three key points or three causes how the protein take care in our health journey. The number one, that it gives us the gives the thermo energy. It consumes so much energy while digestion. The second key point is that it gives our mind a feeling of filling, that right now our stomach is full. And the third thing, it really helps in repair of our body. Friends, if you want to start your health journey, or if you want to gain some health benefits, then I'm giving you link of my ebook in description. You can download and have some basic knowledge about the diet, about the exercise. Or if you wish to have some knowledge, or if you wish to have my personal guidance into your life, then feel free to contact me, feel free to message me. This is Bhupendra signing out for now. I just wish for all of you know your fitness.